Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Corsair iCUE 5000X RGB QL Edition mode tower with white tempered glass. So friend, Colorful has unveiled an all white painted mid tower PC case, and friend, the iCUE 5000X RGB QL Edition is released, and friend, it is variant model of the iCUE 5000X RGB, and the front panel and expansion slot cover, which were grey and the white model, have also been unified to white. And friend, a 120mm RGB LED fan has been added to the back in addition to 3 front units. And friend, the drive bays are 3.5-inch shadow bay into 2, 2.5-inch shadow bay into 4, and 7+2 steps. And friend, the cooling fan measures 120mm into 3 or 140mm into 2 at the front, 120mm into 3 or 140mm into 2 at the top, 120mm into 1 at the back, and 120mm into 3 on the right side, while the radiator measures 360 or 280mm at the front and top, 360mm on the right side, and 120mm on the rear. And I/O ports include USB 3.0 into 2, USB 3.1 Type-C into 1, and audio terminal into 1. And each useful area has a length of 400mm for the graphics card, total height of 170mm for the CPU cooler, and depth of 250mm for the power supply unit. And friends, the outward dimensions are 245mm wide, 520mm deep, and 521mm tall. And friend, it will be comes with a weight of around 14 kg. And friend, E-ATX, ATX, MicroATX, and Mini-ITX are all compatible form factors. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.